Hey guys, this is Mishtu.
This is Sam,
And
you are watching She Cool with Suitcase.
So finally, this is the 7th part of our Maldives tour. Here, we will share all the expenditure details with you guys. First of all, follow us on Instagram. Link is given in the description box. And if you have any queries, you can mail us on shecoolwithsuitcase@gmail.com. Now let me tell you something about Maldives. Maldives is a small country of South Asia and about 700 km from the mainland. Malé is the capital of Maldives and the airport name is Valena International Airport, which is located in the Malé only. The Maldives consist of 1190 tiny islands scattered across the Indian Ocean. Only 185 of these islands are inhabited, while the others are used largely for tourism and agriculture purpose.
On the last video, you have seen the high tide, what is the looks of the water and that sea view. Now it is the low tide. So now you see the view. It is little bit different. Now this is the view at the low tide. Though the water level is down, it is very much brighter now. You understand?
না So this is our today's breakfast menu. बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है यहाँ पर. मैंने एक बात आगे भी बोला है आप लोगों से कि मालदीव पर खाने का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. Hi Sam, good morning.
Good morning. So now we are here for our breakfast. We have already ordered. Now we are waiting for that. Let's see.
This is guava juice. This is a fruit plate of honey melon and papaya. This is apple juice and this is mixed fruit muesli. So let's breakfast.
Now we are returning back to India, and this is Mishtu along with me.
And I'm sad.
So Mishtu is not really feeling good. She is very sad. The place is really mesmerizing. It is really tough to leave this place. Now let's see. From here we are in speedboat. So from here we will go to the airport. That is the Valena International Airport. And from there to India. So stay tuned. Best season to visit Maldives is November to March, where you no need to face much high temperature and rainfall. At present, there are over 132 resorts located in different parts of atolls. Before visit Maldives, first you have to choose a resort according to your budget. There is multiple budgets. There are multiple websites from where you will get those details. Still, if you find any difficulties, you can mail us and we will guide you on that. In Maldives, you will get a resort price starts from $120, nearly 8,500 rupees per night. You can get a flight from all the major cities in India, though you will get a bit cheaper price from Bangalore and Kochi airport. In this pandemic, if you want to visit Maldives, then you have to follow a few rules. First of all, you have to book your resort, and as per that, you should have your return ticket as well for visa. You should have a negative RT-PCR test report within 72 hours of your departure. Recently, it has changed to 96 hours. You have to check. You can visit www.visitmaldives.com for the regular Maldivian government rules updates. That is a very informative site from Maldivian government. Who want to visit Maldives, that tourist, all those tourists, they will get very good information from that. That is a regular update you will get. Apart from that, for immigration, you have to register and put your all the details at imuka.immigration.gov.mv within 24 hours of your departure. To entry into the Maldives, this is very important step that you have to follow, and it takes a max 2 to 3 hours to get the confirmation mail. On basis of that, you will get the visa on arrival. At the time of return from Maldives, you have to file again at imuga.immigration.gov.mp/e/ethd. That is the site where you have to put all the details again. And to land in India, you have to again put your all the details on www.newdelhiairport.in/ER-Suvidha. This is the site where you have to put the details. You have to take the permission from Indian government. It will also take some around 10 to 15 minutes time, by which you will receive a mail and you have to carry that mail copy to the airport. You can find these details on our description box, that everything is given over there.
We stayed in Sansiam Oluveli Beach Resorts and Spa, where we choose Grand Water Villa in Dream Island, which considers as 5-star property. Per day, it cost us approximately $550, where we got breakfast, lunch and dinner included. From resort side, airport pickup and drop also was included by speedboat. Apart from this, we have enjoyed parasailing, which cost us near about $200, and jet ski ride cost us near about $90, and few additional food cost us nearly $100. You can buy some souvenir also from the shop inside the resort. We really hope you have enjoyed our video. If you like this video, then hit the like button, press the bell icon and subscribe for more beautiful videos. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Link is given in the description box. And if you have any queries, you can mail us on shikulwithsuitcase@gmail.com. We will get back.
See you soon on a new place with beautiful videos and information. Till then, take care. Bye bye.